What advice would you give a new real estate agent just breaking into the market?
Just breaking in, come in with an open mind, come in willing to learn. Don't have any like high expectations. Like, you want to come in with goals, but don't set your expectations so high that you don't realize or being realistic with them.
So set realistic expectations, but obviously be optimistic in how you could build your career.
Yes.
Are you thinking about selling your home? Well, Dream Select Realty is about to make this that much easier. For a limited time, homeowners that list with us can do so for just $1,000. That means top-tier marketing, expert negotiation, and smooth closing without paying the high commission costs. But don't wait, because this is not going to last long. Give us a call at 631-623-7117. Check us out at dreamselectrealty.com or email us at hometeam@dreamselectrealty.com.